So good evening everyone. How are you doing? So today we'll be talking about another example of control flow that is under conditionals. I in our last class I said for control flow we have two um parts in it. We have what we call conditionals and we also have what we call loops. But before I go further, I would like to go back to explain variables, data types, and operators so that for those that missed the last class, they will be able to catch up with this. So for variable, we talk about how to declare a variable. We said you can declare a variable using um, three keyword, which are var. Then we have let. We also have constant. It's actually called constant, but the shortcut is const. Yeah. So we also talk about data types and operators. Data types are when we're talking about variables, we say you have to declare variables, you name the variable, then you assign a value to it. So that value that you're assigning to it comes in different manners, they come in different ways. So one of them so grouping them all together and category sharing them to each of the data types that uh, they fall into is what we'll be looking at next, which is called data types. So data types is under data types, primitive data types. So one of the example is string. String is any letter or any figure with a double quote at the top. Then we have number. Number is integer from 0 to infinity or any number at all that you can think of. Then we have boolean. As I've explained earlier, I said boolean is just like it's also like a condition too, whereby it always comes in two ways. It comes either in true or it comes either in false. Do you understand? So if it comes in true, it means that that condition is really true. But if it comes in false, that means that there's something wrong with that condition. I hope you are getting it. All right. So we have another data type called none. We have undefined. We have symbol. Right. Then we also have objects, arrays, and functions. Those are another type of data type. Yeah. All right. So we have um for this first module, we also talk about operators such as arithmetic operators, logical assignment, ternary operators, etc. Yeah. All these ones are very simple. If you miss the class, just ask your colleague. They will explain it to you. So let's continue with what uh, we have for today. And also, I've also talked about if else and else if statement. That's our last class. So for if statement, right? This is if statement. So what to do is first of all you declare a variable, then you name it anything that you want to call it, then you assign a value to it, as you can see my screen. We assign values to it.